Given that 11y plus 4 and 3y minus x are three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. So tentukan the first term, the second term, and the third term. So x plus y in terms of x meaning t2 minus t1 equals to t3 minus t2. So masukkan nilai. So y plus 4 minus 11 equals to 3y minus x minus in bracket y plus 4. So expand. And then rearrange. So solve y. So negative y equals to negative x plus 3. So positive y equals to positive x minus 3. And then B, find the common difference if x equals to 8. So masukkan 8 ke dalam x. So y equals to 8 minus 3 equals to 5. And then D equals to T2 minus T1. So D5 plus 4 minus 11 equals to negative 2. The first three terms of an arithmetic progression are h, 8, and k. So the first term, the second term, and the third term. So T2 minus T1 equals to T3 minus T2. So masukkan nilai. So 8 minus h equals to k minus 8. So 8 plus 8 equals to h plus k. And then rearrange. H plus k equals to 8 plus 8. So h plus k equals to 16. Given the common difference is negative 5 and the sum of the first 10 terms of the progression is 45. So by using the formula Sn, so S10 equals to 10 over 2 in bracket 2a plus 9 times negative 5 equals to 45. Then simplify. So 5 in bracket 2a minus 45 equals to 45. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. So calculate. So a equals to 27. So B, the 10 terms of the progression. So by using the formula Tn, so T10 equals to a plus 9d. Masukkan 27 ke dalam a. So 27 plus 9 times negative 5. So the answer is negative 8. Diagram shows a circle with center O which is divided into 8 sectors. And the first term is 24 degrees. So A, find the value of D. So D1 equals to 30 minus 24 equals to 6. And D2 equals to 36 minus 30 equals to 6. So when the value of D1 equals to D2, meaning this progression is an arithmetic progression. Then B, the values of P. So 36 plus 6, so P equals to 42 degrees. And C, the sum of all terms in the progression. So this diagram has 8 sectors. So by using formula Sn, so S8 equals to 8 over 2 in bracket 2 times 24 plus 7 times 6. So expand. And the final answer is 360 degrees. Given the sum of the first 4 terms is 14 and the sixth term is negative 7. So by using the formula Sn and the other one the formula Tn, so masukkan nilai S4 equals to 4 over 2 in bracket 2a plus 3d equals to 14. So simplify and then expand. So 4a plus 6d equals to 14. So a plus 5d equals to negative 7. So we have two equations. Dan kita nak buat kaedah penghapusan. So the second equation we times 4. So akan jadi 4a plus 20d equals to negative 28. So kaedah penghapusan, hapuskan a. So yang tinggal negative 14d equals to 42. So d equals to negative 3. Yang dah masukkan negative 3 ke dalam d. So a plus 5 in bracket negative 3 equals to negative 7. So a equals to 8. On a particular day, the stall has 70 cans of condensed milk and 48 cans of evaporated milk. The stall used 5 cans of condensed milk and 3 cans of evaporated milk in a day. So the first day we have 70, second day 70 minus 5, and the third day 70 minus 5 minus 5. And the other one, the first day we have 48, then 48 minus 3, and the third day 48 minus 3 minus 3. And then buat satu jujukan. So 70, 65, 60, and the other one is 48, 45, 42. And then tentukan the first term and the common difference. So a equals to 70 and d equals to negative 5. So the other one, a equals to 48 and d equals to negative 3. So by using the formula of Pn, so insert value, so 70 plus n minus 1 times negative 5. So the other one, 48 plus in bracket n minus 1 times negative 3. So we equal each other to find the value of n. So 70 plus in bracket n minus 1 times negative 5 equals to 48 plus in bracket n minus 1 times negative 3. So expand. And then rearrange. So solve. Negative 2n equals to negative 24, so n equals to 12. It is given that the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression is as n equals to n over 2 in bracket 13 minus 3n. So by using the formula stated, so masukkan nilai Sn minus, so masukkan n minus 1 ke dalam n, then expand. Then expand the bracket again. Then cancel out each other. So yang tinggal Tn equals to negative 6n over 2 plus 16 over 2. And then simplify. So Tn equals to negative 3m plus 8. A student has a wire with the length of 13.16 meter. The student divided the wire into several pieces. Each piece is to form a square. The diagram shows the first 3 squares. So the total perimeter Sn equals to 13.60 meter times 100 to change to centimeter unit. So find the perimeter. So the first square is 16, the second square is 28, and the third square is 40. So find the first term and the common difference. So A equals to 16 and D equals to 28 minus 16. So D equals to 12. So by using the formula of Sn, so Sn equals to n over 2 in bracket 2 times 16 plus in bracket n minus 1 times 12 equals to 1316 centimeter. So expand. So 16n plus 6n to the power of 2 minus 6n equals to 1316. So arrange to form a quadratic equation. So 6n to the power of 2 plus 10n minus 1316 equals to 0. So by using the calculator, find the value of n. So n minus 40 and 3n plus 47 equals to 0. So find the accepted value. So n equals to 14.